Okay, I've been sitting here for like over half an hour. It's early in the morning. I went to bed at 7 o'clock last night. Yes, my wagon's still sitting there to be unpacked. My door alarm, which here's my hand. You can see I'm moving. I'm not setting it off. I'm rocking in my chair and I'm not setting it off. Okay? My door alarm keeps going off. It is aimed. So if somebody walks through my door, it's going to set that off. There's the chair over there. There's my coffee table. My coffee table's probably good 4.5, 5 feet away from me, and there's Essie. You see that? And an orb just went past me. And it's blurry. Quit being blurry. Yes, I'm playing a game on Facebook. And just kind of watch this. Let's see if we can figure out what's setting that off. Zoom back out a little bit. Look at the orbs in here this morning. What in the world? Oop, there goes another one. I'll tell you what, if that goes off in the middle of the night, it brings me up out of bed like you would not believe. I have had it go off in the middle of the night, grab the knife that I keep next to my bed, and come out here. I kid you not. It is the most frightening thing you ever hear when you live alone. And as you can see, I can even wiggle my foot and not set it off.
Hello, welcome.
And it's not the screen going on and off that's doing it, so because I just turned the screen back on and it didn't go off. Huh. I wonder what it's seeing. Well, from this angle, you really can't see it because Essie's ears are in the way. And believe it or not, this has been going on frequently. And it's been going off actually since I've gotten Essie. I've had issues with this going off. When I've come out here in the morning and have forgotten to turn it off. Good morning, Essie. My coffee filter roses. Shit.
Hello, welcome.
I wasn't looking at it. Can you do it again? Can whatever's walking in front of that do it again? Can you make that go off? Hello? If this does this again tomorrow morning, I will make sure I have my equipment ready. And I have a receipt setting in a chair. Is there something here? Obviously, is got to be something. Like, spirit-wise. Because you don't see nothing. Now I'm blurry. Hello? Why am I blurry? There we go. Can you make that doorbell go off again? All you have to do is walk past it or move in front of it. Essie, is that you doing that? Funny story about that doll that I took to the, you guys haven't seen that video. See, the computer just went out and it did not set it off. So that's not what set it off earlier. The doll that I took to the thing, and you guys haven't seen the video of that yet. I'll put this up because this will go up easier than that 27-minute video from yesterday. I was not getting any sales until I opened the box and displayed the doll. The minute I displayed that doll, I was getting sales. Same people that had walked through before came back and was buying stuff. And then a lady came through more towards the afternoon that was set up next to me. She looked at the doll. She said, you know what? I really like that doll. I kind of want that doll. And she says, if it's still here when I'm done packing up, I'm going to come back and buy the doll. And I was kind of like, oh my gosh, no, she's going to buy the doll. And I almost kind of want to keep her. But that's okay. You know what? Since that lady said she was going to buy the doll, that was it. There was no more. People came by, looked at stuff, and walked away. I never made another sale after that. So, from now on, the doll is going to go with me as my sidekick and my good luck charm. So I'm not letting go of that doll. Anyways, it was just a funny story about that doll. I was hoping whatever that was making that go off would come back and do it again. I have so much vintage stuff sitting around. Yes, I have my drink cup sitting there. I have that crystal swan. I have that duck, swan, whatever it is. My house is full of vintage. Those dishes, Why is that going off? It's not me. I'm waving my hand. It's just not going off. Okay, guys. I'm going to cut this short. Let me know what you think. And I don't have any air going, and I have baseboard heat, so it's not like that's going. So, I don't know. All right, guys. Everyone have a wonderful morning. Bye.